Welcome back with our new lesson 5.4 Multiplication of Monomials. Our lesson objective here is to multiply monomials. As a review for what we took before in exponent rules, we know that a to power m multiplied with a to power n, this gives us a to power m plus n. So in multiplying powers, we just add the exponents together. Another rule we took before is that if we have a to power n and all of them to power m, in this case we multiply the powers. So we have a to power n times m. A third rule which we may need here, if we are having a times b and all of them to power m, we can distribute this power to what inside the parentheses here. So it gives us a to power m times b to power m. Now let us go forward to our lesson, which its title is Multiplication of Monomials. What is a monomial? We remember the word monomial contains mono, which means one, pi means two, three means three, poly means many. So we will deal with such things in the future. So we are talking here about monomial, and this means that we are dealing with algebraic expression composed of one term only, such as negative 3xy. This is only one term. Or 4a, this is one term. Or just 9, this can be considered also as a one term. Or for example, negative x square y, this is also a one term. All of these are monomials. We can see that if we have two terms, we will call it binomial. If we have three terms in an algebraic expression, we will call it trinomial, such as, or we can say polynomials, which contains more than three terms inside it, such as this is an algebraic expression contains four terms, so we can call it a polynomial. So our lesson is about multiplying monomials only. Let us take some examples on that. Example 1, 2x cubed multiplied with 5x power 4. We have no sign between them, so we know that we have multiplication here. When we multiply two monomials, we multiply numbers with numbers. So 2 times 5 is 10. And we multiply letters with letters. So x cubed times x power 4, this gives me x to power 7, applying the exponents rules. Example 2, we will do the same. We will multiply numbers together. So 3 times negative 15, this gives us negative 45 times 4, this will be negative 120. And then we multiply letters. So we will have a power 1, power 2, this will be 3, power 4, this will give me a total of 7. And then b power 2 will come down. We have only b square with the last monomial. Find x cube all to power 5. So what is needed here, just to apply the rule of exponents, and we know that a power to a power we need to multiply here. So the answer is going to be directly x to power 3 times 5, which is 15. The same thing with this fourth example, but the power 5 is going to be distributed in all components of the monomial inside parentheses. So it will be negative 3 all to power 5 and x to power 4 all to power 5. This will give us negative 243 x to power 20. Look to this final example. We have two monomials, we need to multiply them, but we are asking you to evaluate this expression when you know that a is equal to 2 and p is equal to 3. So here you are going to multiply the two monomials. Positive 4 times negative 5, it is negative 20. A square times ab square, this will give me a cube b square. By this I multiplied the two monomials. Now I need to evaluate them by substituting the variables values. So it is negative 20 multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 3 squared. And here we are going to have negative 20 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9. And this is going to be negative 144. By this, we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.